After a big struggle with IVM, it finally came out. You have difficult on the bottom. You see this 3 connectors.
It's very hard.
Very hard to take out. And it's not too much room to work with it. Usually people will go to a BMW dealer, but here we chose to do that ourselves.
Tell them that it's the same clip. So
this is the old one.
And this clip was on the bottom middle.
This clip on the bottom, the middle.
It's the same thing as this one.
This one. Yes.
And then they have the same thing like this. You just push down here, and you need to find out. And then they have a black one, black clip. Let me get it out. Here it is. That. And you need to push down. I push down right there. Right there. Just push down. Now we're gonna have to put it back in.